About 10 weeks ago, I took this amaryllis that I had grown inside and replanted it outside into my flower garden. Now here's what it looks like 10 weeks later. Honestly, I wasn't sure it was going to grow because all this growth happened within the last week. Now, about 5.5 weeks ago, I soaked and planted luffas seeds. I've watered this pot every single day. 5.5 weeks later, here's what they look like. All the seeds germinated. They did germinate at different rates, but they all did germinate. And I'm continuing to water these every day. I hope you've enjoyed these updates. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and tap that subscribe button so you can watch the progress of these two projects. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.